This car already sold. Yeah, I sold this car 24 years ago. He kept all the paperwork, pictures. It's pretty cool. Gorgeous, obviously. 69 Camaro with the RS SS package, crate 350, 4-speed. Look at the colors. It is killer. So it was the same owner all those years. He had it painted. He put the motor in. I got a stack of receipts for work he's done it while he's owned it. 3,000 miles. That's all that was put on it. So really nice, sharp car, serviced, ready to go. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 premium classic cars. You'll find a price tag and a monthly payment on each one of them, including this one. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just check it out. Beautiful. I have pictures of it all taken down and stripped down. It was black when I sold it to him. He repainted it black. It does have the metal cowl hood, which fits nice, square, and flush. And this is all straight, smooth, polished like glass. Yeah, this fits really nice. There's a lot going on up here. All fits beautifully. All smooth, shiny, right down to the bottom. It's a mirror. I can see the reflection of the floor. See how the door shuts. It lines up real nicely, opens real nicely. So guess what? It's going to close real nicely. Yeah. Beautiful lines. All this really nice. Has front and rear spoilers. Does not have the typical cracks right here, although there are a couple little cracks by the antenna. The antenna just whips around so much that it did crack the paint slightly. I love the body line on the 69. All smooth, straight, shiny. It is like a mirror. Tuxedo black. Jambs are painted real nice and slick. The stripe is painted on, and that's all the correct dimensions. A lot of people mess up that stripe. Windshield crystal clear. I'm sure that was replaced. All the trim, the mirror, door handle looks like new. The fuzzy strips have been replaced. Emblems are shiny, sparkling. Front bumper is a 7 out of 10. It looks real nice. There's a couple of marks on it. It does have the RS hideaway lights. They look like they're 15-inch rally wheels. Got some spinner center caps. BFGoodrich tires are only a couple years old. This has the exterior trim package. That includes the louvers and the wheel well moldings. There's a picture of the convertible top on our website. It's a really nice looking convertible top. The back bumper, that's been replaced. That looks really nice. Oh, there's one little scuff over here. I think it cleans off. So anyway, gorgeous car. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. I got something cool to show you in this trunk. But look underneath the trunk lid. That was all repainted when they painted the car. Same thing with the jamb, and the weather strip was replaced. Got a few items. This is a picture when he bought the car new. He has some other pictures. It's kind of neat because now there's new buildings in the background. Miscellaneous stuff. That right there, I had that same exact fuzzbuster on the dash of my 79 Hurst Olds when I was 16 years old. And I got my first ticket a week after I got my license. It didn't help me any. So it's all clean, solid, spatter painted. It's got the nice rubber mat, fits nice. It has an aftermarket spare, but it's a spare and does have the jack assembly. So nice, clean, and complete trunk with the fuzzbuster. I should have just taken that out and put that on a shelf in my office. And by the way, I got my first ticket when I was 16, and I don't think I got another ticket for 30 more years. So weather strips are replaced, jambs are painted slick. The white interior is very nice. Door panels, armrests, all that looks very good. The dash area, it's very good. This is original, so it's a little dirty, but the vent looks new. That's nice and clean. The dash pad was replaced. This all looks good. This looks good. They put an oil and water gauges under the dash. That's nice to have. There is a modern stereo hidden in here with an auxiliary plug. Plug in your music. I noticed the lights working. The carpet's in good shape. This is what makes it right here, a Hurst 4-speed. It does have the original seat belts. The seats were reupholstered. Looks like there's a mark across here, but you know, nice upholstery. Now these speakers are just sitting there, so yeah, they're in the way. We didn't want to cut anything. If you don't like them, take them right out. All of this back here is upholstered very nicely. Armrest, the seat, also has original seat belts. Looks like the mirror is new. Visors look real nice. Has the SS steering wheel to finish it off. So the interior is not perfect, but it's very good. And not only does the white look amazing against the black, but it stays significantly cooler. You go somewhere in the summer and you get back to hop in your car, you will literally burn your legs on the seat. So that is a GM Crate 350, 330 horsepower engine. Nothing like the reliability of a Crate engine. It does have an Edelbrock intake on top with a dual feed Howie carburetor, and it is a complete cowl induction system, not just the hood on top like most of them. Nice chrome valve covers that came with the engine. MSD ignition, long tube headers. And overall, very good. This is not a concourse restoration, but it's nice. Optima battery with a disconnect switch. Alternator was replaced. Fan shroud and radiator, that looks very fresh. Vacuum headlight system is all still hooked up. Does have power brakes, that looks pretty fresh as well. See a nice, reliable 350 motor. Easy to work on. Michael's going to take you for a ride, see how that motor runs. So underneath the car is very nice, above average driver quality. Looks like they did put all new floor pans in the car at the shop that repainted the car. Just recently, a gas tank sending unit that was just put in. The exhaust looks brand new. I don't know when that was put in, but dual exhaust looks new. Car comes with a bunch of receipts, and I was looking through the receipts. You did have the front end, ball joints, all that was rebuilt, polyurethane bushings. All new disc brakes up front, the calipers, the whole thing. E-brake is hooked up. Looking up at the motor, it's a Crate motor. It's clean, has a high torque starter. The transmission, 1C4 speed, there's a receipt in there. He had that completely rebuilt. It's a 10-bolt rear end in the back. So gorgeous, far above average, but not a rotisserie car that you can't drive. Stunning RSSS black 4-speed convertible. Killer. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help get this car delivered to your driveway, help you get it financed. We got a lot of sharp Camaros, a lot of Le Mans Blue, Hugger Orange. You won't find this. If you like it, hit the Buy It Now button. Thanks for watching.